up, Design Lifers? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jimmy. So if you guys know, I made a review video before on the brand new 2018 Honda Accord. I drive a 2003 Honda Accord. So, and then my car before that was a 1998 Honda Accord. So I've had Accords and only Accords. And this one here, when it first came out, I really liked the 2017 version, the version before this. And I thought it was really, really nice. And I was like, how are they going to beat this car? And so when this one first came out, I was kind of iffy on it. But now that I've really had time to warm up to it, it is a very nice car. And I really, really like it. And I've seen it in person many, many times now. And so I really like the car. And the only thing, though, that I still had, I said in that video, I'll link it down in the bottom, is that I didn't like the rear. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw it into Photoshop like I have the other cars. If you haven't seen it yet, I did the Lincoln Continental and also the Corvette ZR1. So go ahead and check those out. I'll show the link them all down at the bottom below. But here we go, guys. I'm just here in Photoshop now. And the first thing I usually always do is try to remove the car from the background. And so you guys can see that I did that. And so this is pretty much the major thing that I really didn't like with this car, is these like light things that went all the way to the license plate zone. So I'm going to remove those. And then what I noticed about the new Sonatas, if you guys have seen that yet, what they did, which I thought was really, really clean, which I want to do for this Accord here, is they moved the license plate area, that whole kind of trapezoid area, down to the bottom. And a lot of hatchbacks do this. And what I thought that this was really cool is because it really cleared up a lot of space for just like the trunk lid right here. There's just so much real estate now to do stuff with it. And so what Kia or Hyundai Sonata did was they essentially just wrote Sonata in really big words spread out, and it really just is a great branding kind of feature on the rear of the car. And so I'm just gonna put the Honda here for now. I think that looks fine. And I'm gonna try to make this more of a deeper undercut, just because it's looking kind of bland. I feel like if I don't put like Honda in individual letters or Accord in individual letters, it's kind of like bland. So I'm gonna kind of cut this down and kind of create like that undercut in there, so gives it a little bit more drama and intensity. And then I'm going to increase this spoiler right up here to make it look a little bit bigger, more exaggerated. But I think that's about it, guys. I don't know if I actually made it better or not, you tell me, but I didn't want to take too much time on this. I wanted to do these minor tweaks that I always kind of visualized in my head, like what if the Accord didn't have those little weird light things that went to the license plate area. So check it out, guys. Let me know what you think. Here I'm going to pull up the two differences. So here's before, and then there is after. Before and after. So which one do you guys like? It's definitely a lot more simple, a lot more clean, I think, but I feel like there's still something missing in a way. But I don't know. This is just fun, guys. I hope you learned something. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. Also leave a comment down below if there's any other thing you'd like me to talk about, or Photoshop, you know, definitely leave me something that you want me to alter or change, and I'll go ahead and give it a shot if I think it's a good one. Alright, guys, and then also go to designlifebrand.com to grab yourselves an awesome Design Life t-shirt and our sketchbooks at Design Life Brand on Instagram, and check out all of Claudia's and my cool sketches and all our photos and all that good stuff. Alright, guys, that is about it. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. What up to all the new subscribers? Let me know down in the comments if you are a new subscriber. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.